No matter how much preparation you invest, the true test of a winner is what happens on the field, where performance delivers results. So let me share a story. A football coach invested considerable time in training Jake. He was a tremendous running back, or coach thought he was, and he showed true potential. Coach was confident he could cultivate Jake into a strong contributor to the team's offense. Coach taught Jake the game strategy, and he worked tirelessly with him on the skills a running back needs. And finally, when Coach felt Jake was ready, he put him to his first game. The opposing team had a notoriously aggressive defense, so Coach told Jake to be ready, and then the coach told the quarterback to be sure to hand the ball to Jake. Coach watched from the sidelines, and on the very first play, the quarterback seemingly handed the ball to Jake, but then the quarterback tucked the ball and he ran with it himself. He didn't get very far, just a yard or two, as the defense barreled through and they sacked him. Frustrated Coach yelled into his headset, which was connected to the quarterback, "Give the ball to Jake." Again, the quarterback faked the handoff, held on to the ball, stepped back, looked for a receiver so he could pass the ball, but again he went down, losing even more yardage. So at 4th and 16, the offense walked off the field dejected as the punter headed out to kick the ball back to the opponents. Coach grabbed the quarterback angrily and pulled him aside and said, "Hey, I told you over and over, hand off to Jake, but you kept the ball every time. What's up?" The quarterback replied, "Coach, Jake says he doesn't even want the ball." And therein lies the lesson. Never hand the ball to someone who does not want to run with it. If you have somebody on your sales team who shows reluctance or fear, hand that scoring opportunity instead to someone else who can and will make forward progress. Coach your players, cultivate your team, and be sure to only hand the ball to those who truly want to run.